This is Otis, right?
Otis, yes.
The one in the
Yes.
scarf.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
Oh.
Oh.
I've seen the scarf. Thank you.
You
Thank
get a
you.
bit fluff as well if you like.
അവരുടെ
Do you
അല്ലേ?
have any one from Peregrine or Osprey?
No, not on there.
okay.
Okay.
The fleeces are very like the high quality ones are kept like gold.
Oh.
Not all of these are bad quality, but there are some that are like the
okay.
premium. They're
okay.
kept for
So
the-
some of them have better fleece.
yeah, no, it's like with any animal. There are like
okay.
I don't think any of those in there have like bad fleece, but like particularly the other little brown one that you didn't walk, he's actually champion brown.
Oh. Oh.